duck and cranberry. Duck and pineapple. Duck pate. Here we are. Duck à l'orange.
What are we having?
I'm having you for lunch.
I know. I mean, what are we going to eat?
I'll think of something. Surprise.
Well, my mother must have been thinking of someone else. She told me to beware of the cat.
Bless her. All mothers are the same. They seem to think it's part of their job description to stop us from having any fun. But not my mother. Oh no, she was different. Do you know what my mother used to say to me?
No. What?
You can scratch the antique furniture to sharpen up your blouse. You can lacerate cushions if you're ever stuck indoors. You can dig all flowers from the freshly planted beds. And with articles of clothing, it's okay to pull some thread. But I remember as a kindergarten kitten, one phrase that left me singularly smitten. You can play with your food before you eat it. You can chili your shell before you chew. You can play with your food and you can't beat it. Sometimes you have me playing with you. You can play with your food before you get it. You can toy with your suck before the crunch. You can play with your food while fighting. It's a crazy little game called lunch. So tell me, Ducky, what would you like to play? It can be anything at all. I won't tell your mother.
Anything? Well, I'd like to paddle the puddle, down with the mud, dip to the back of the shallows. And maybe this time goes sliding to the marsh where we find marshmallows. I'll go and slay a dragonfly, watch the water float with race. To say that cats are dangerous is clearly not the case.
Oh, I'd rather play a game that's sharp and witty, and preferably with something in the kitchen. You can play with your food before you nibble. You can jazz with your joint before you slide. You can play with your food but don't you rebel. Oh, look at the instead. You can play with your food before you kill it. You can mess with your meal before you punch. You can play with your food and pulp it. It's a crazy little game called lunch.
He could go brushing the brushes, dashing that dish, finding how to play with Foggy. This big little chap that is secret of a damn for me and remain so foggy. And if the other ducklings want to come and join our games, they have to make a promise first. Stop calling me names.
Oh, I'll help you to forget the way they scolded. Just as soon as I have got my napkin folded. Oh, you want to play hide and seek, do you? Oh, Ducky, where are you? Am I getting water? You can play with your food before you eat it. You can shimmy your shell before you chew. You can play with your food, you can't beat it. So ducky, 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 let me play with you. You can play with your food before you bite it. You can show with your tongue before the crunch. You can play with your food while I bite it. It's a crazy little game. Tell me something, Ducky. Do you like oranges?
I've never tried one.
Well, suck on this. It's a crazy little game. Oh.